A lot of people assume that blurry vision is just a normal part of getting older, something you're supposed to accept and move on from. You wake up with dry, scratchy eyes. You squint at the menu across the restaurant, and everything goes fuzzy. Headlights at night leave you blinded and gripping the steering wheel a little tighter than you used to. Here's the truth. The truth most doctors don't take the time to sit down and explain to you. It's not just old age. Once you're past 70, your eyes become significantly more fragile. The American Optometric Association is clear about this. Conditions like dry eyes, cataracts, macular degeneration, even sudden blurry vision in just one eye become far more common after 70. And the National Eye Institute has warned that vision loss among older Americans is rising faster than at any point in recorded history. What makes this especially dangerous is that the real damage often happens while you sleep. At night, when you think your body is resting and repairing itself, your retina, that's the light-sensitive tissue lining the back of your eye, doesn't always get the oxygen and nutrients it needs. The delicate photoreceptor cells that help you see clearly begin to break down, slowly, silently, and most people don't notice until the damage is already done. My name is Dr. Robert Hale, and I've spent over 20 years working with older adults who are serious about protecting and preserving their vision. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 7 fruits that peer-reviewed research suggests can support overnight eye repair, and exactly how to use them the right way. The number 1 fruit on this list, one most people already have in their kitchen, contains a natural enzyme shown in a 2023 study to interfere with one of the most destructive processes behind cloudy lenses and early cataracts. I want you to stay with me all the way to number 1. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button and drop your city or your country in the comments below. We're building a real global community here, people who refuse to accept vision loss as something inevitable. Now let's count down from number 7. Number 7, kiwi. Small, fuzzy, and you probably walk right past it at the grocery store every week. For aging eyes, kiwi is genuinely impressive, and the research backs it up. As you age past 70, oxidative stress accumulates in the retina. The cells wear down. You start squinting at road signs, headlights look like starbursts when you're driving at night, or you wake up every morning with vision that takes an hour to fully clear. That is not just aging, that is cellular damage, and it is addressable. Kiwi is loaded with 2 nutrients eye researchers keep coming back to, lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of them as internal filters. They sit inside the layers of your retina, absorbing harmful blue light and providing antioxidant protection while your eyes go through their nighttime repair. On top of that, kiwi contains a small amount of serotonin, which supports deeper, more restorative sleep. And deep sleep is when your eyes do their most important repair work. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that older adults who consumed 2 golden kiwis daily experienced measurable improvements in visual sharpness, along with reduced morning dryness and eye redness. How do you use it? 2 golden kiwis, not green, about 1 hour before bed. Golden kiwis carry more lutein, produce less acid, and sit easier on the stomach late at night. And here's a detail most people miss completely. Don't peel all the way to the edge. That thin layer of flesh right beneath the skin contains concentrated caffeic acid, a potent antioxidant. Scoop with a spoon and leave that inner edge intact. Number 6, watermelon. If you've ever wondered why your vision is still blurry an hour after waking up, you'll want to hear this. As the eyes age, they dry out faster. Blood flow to the retina slows. That reduced circulation is a major contributor to that frustrating morning blurriness. Watermelon is over 90% water, so hydration is an obvious benefit. But the research points deeper. Watermelon is one of the richest dietary sources of lycopene, a powerful carotenoid antioxidant linked in observational studies to reduced oxidative damage in retinal cells and potential protective effects against cataracts and macular degeneration. Studies have also shown people who eat watermelon regularly carry higher circulating levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, the same key vision nutrients we talked about with kiwi. And certain compounds in watermelon support nitric oxide production, which improves peripheral blood flow, meaning more oxygen and nutrients reaching the retina while you sleep. How do you use it? 1 to 2 cups of chilled seedless watermelon about 30 minutes before bed. Skip the salt. Added sodium can raise intraocular pressure, which the Glaucoma Research Foundation identifies as a major, potentially irreversible risk factor. Pro tip, don't throw away the rind. That white section near the skin contains citrulline, an amino acid that supports healthy blood vessel function. Blend it into a smoothie. Number 5. Black Currants. Tiny, deep purple, easy to overlook, but for protecting your eyes, especially in low light, black currants are quietly remarkable. Here's the specific problem they address: retinal microinflammation and reduced blood flow to the optic nerve. Over time, that chronic low-grade inflammation blurs your vision, creates halos around headlights at night, and causes progressive eye strain in dim conditions. A stronger glasses prescription does not fix this. What makes black currants so effective is their extraordinary anthocyanin content. Anthocyanins calm inflammation, support blood vessel dilation, and help restore rhodopsin, the visual pigment responsible for your eye's ability to adjust from bright light to darkness. A randomized placebo-controlled trial in glaucoma patients found that 50 milligrams of blackcurrant anthocyanins daily over 24 months significantly improved blood flow to the optic nerve head and meaningfully slowed the progression of visual field loss compared to placebo. That is not a small finding. How do you use them? Fresh black currants are hard to find in most American grocery stores. Look for a standardized black currant anthocyanin extract, around 50 milligrams daily, taken in the evening. For better absorption, pair it with a small amount of healthy fat, like a few walnuts. Number 4. Blueberries. Almost certainly in your kitchen right now, but most of us eat them in a way that actually cancels out a significant portion of their eye protective benefits. What do blueberries target? Oxidative damage in your photoreceptors, the specialized cells in your retina that allow you to focus, distinguish fine detail, and adapt to changes in light. The key compound in blueberries is pyrrostilbene, chemically related to resveratrol but significantly more bioavailable. Research suggests it can cross the blood-retinal barrier and act directly on DNA damage in light-sensitive cells. A 2023 study published in Nutritional Neuroscience found that older adults who consumed wild blueberries daily for 12 weeks showed notable improvements in visual acuity and reported meaningfully less eye strain viewing digital screens in low light. But here's the critical detail: not all blueberries deliver the same benefit. The large, shiny, cultivated varieties in most supermarkets have measurably lower antioxidant density. Wild blueberries, the small, dark ones in the frozen section, carry nearly double the concentration of active compounds, and frozen is just as effective as fresh. How do you use them correctly? About 1/3 of a cup of wild blueberries 45 minutes before bed. And here's the pro tip almost everyone gets wrong: do not combine them with dairy. The proteins in milk bind to anthocyanins and physically block absorption in the gut. Instead, lightly freeze and then thaw your blueberries before eating. That process breaks down cell walls and dramatically increases bioavailability. Number 3. Dragon fruit. Exotic, visually striking, bright red inside. Research suggests it may be one of the most effective fruits for increasing oxygen delivery to your eyes during sleep. If you regularly wake up with tired, heavy eyes even after a full night's rest, pay close attention. Variety matters enormously here. You want the deep red flesh. The white varieties do not contain what we're after. The specific problem dragon fruit addresses is retinal hypoxia, when your retinal tissue isn't receiving adequate oxygen during sleep. When that happens, you can sleep a full 8 hours and still wake up with fatigued, heavy eyes. Peripheral vision blurs, colors look flatter. Red dragon fruit is rich in betalains, a class of antioxidants that research shows support nitric oxide production in blood vessels. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens capillaries, including the tiny ones that supply your retina. Wider capillaries mean more oxygen and nutrients reaching retinal tissue during deep sleep. A 2022 study published in Frontiers in Aging Biology reported that participants who consumed red dragon fruit extract for 6 weeks showed meaningful improvements in ocular circulation, contrast sensitivity, and visual field depth. How do you use it? Half a red flesh dragon fruit about an hour before bed. And here's the pro tip almost everyone misses. Do not swallow the black seeds whole. Chew them. Those seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, both of which play documented roles in retinal nerve health. Number 2. Goji berries. Bright red, slightly sweet, used in traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years specifically for eye health. And now the clinical evidence is lining up. Here's the exact problem they target: macular thinning. The macula is the central zone of your retina, responsible for the sharp, detailed vision you use to read, recognize faces, and see color clearly. As the eyes age, oxidative stress and reduced circulation gradually degrade this tissue. That is the foundational process behind age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of irreversible vision loss in adults worldwide. What makes goji berries exceptional is their zeaxanthin content. Goji berries are among the highest natural dietary sources of zeaxanthin on the planet. While lutein protects the outer retina, zeaxanthin concentrates specifically in the macula, your center of vision. A 2021 study published in Nutrients followed adults aged 60 to 80 who consumed dried goji berries 5 days a week for 90 days. The results showed a significant increase in macular pigment optical density, a direct measure of macular protection, and no participant in the study showed further progression of macular degeneration during the trial. How do you use them? Soak 2 tablespoons of dried goji berries in warm water for about 10 minutes. Eat them roughly 30 minutes before bed. Soaking softens them and improves digestibility for older digestive systems. Pair them with a small square of high-quality dark chocolate, at least 85% cacao. The flavonoids in cocoa enhance zeaxanthin absorption. Together, they create a synergy your macula can actually use. And finally, number 1. The fruit that tops this entire list for your eyes is papaya. It is not exotic, it is not expensive. You may have one sitting on your counter right now. But when you eat it correctly, it targets one of the most destructive and overlooked processes behind blurry vision, cloudy lenses, and early cataract formation. Here's the specific enemy papaya goes after: glycation. That is the process by which excess blood glucose binds to proteins in your eye tissue, forming advanced glycation end products, compounds that progressively cloud your lens and degrade your retina. Glycation is one of the most underappreciated contributors to age-related vision deterioration, and it's happening silently, continuously, in most people over 70. Papaya is rich in papain, a naturally occurring enzyme with documented anti-inflammatory and protein-modifying properties. It also delivers a powerful combination of vitamins A, C, and E alongside folate. Nutrients research consistently links to tear film stability, retinal protection, and reduced oxidative stress inside the eye. A 2023 study published in Clinical Gerontology found that older adults who consumed papaya in the evening showed lower levels of glycation markers in follow-up testing, alongside stronger tear production and measurable improvements in contrast vision within 6 weeks. How do you use it? 1 cup of ripe papaya cubes about an hour before bed. Fresh is better than processed. Room temperature is better than cold. Take it out of the refrigerator at least 30 to 60 minutes before eating. Cold suppresses enzyme activity, and you want papain at full strength. Do not pair with dairy. Pro tip: squeeze fresh lime juice over your papaya before eating. The vitamin C in lime meaningfully boosts your body's absorption of vitamin A. Your eyes get more of what they need. Now, before we wrap up, 5 rules you must hear. Without these, you could eat every fruit on this list and still not get the full benefit. Rule 1. Do not combine with high calcium foods. If you eat papaya or blueberries shortly after milk, yogurt, or calcium-fortified cereal, you are actively blocking your body's absorption of lutein and zeaxanthin. Research has shown high-calcium meals consumed alongside antioxidant-rich fruits can reduce absorption of key eye nutrients by up to 30%. Give yourself at least 90 minutes between dairy and fruit. Rule 2. Always add a small amount of healthy fat. Most of the key nutrients in these fruits are fat-soluble. Your body cannot fully absorb them without fat. A few walnuts, a teaspoon of flaxseed oil, or a few slices of avocado alongside your fruit can boost absorption by more than 50%. Rule 3. Wash gently. Aggressive scrubbing removes a significant portion of the surface antioxidants, particularly on blueberries and black currants, where the protective compounds concentrate in and near the skin. Rinse under cool water, pat dry, wash right before eating. Rule 4. Room temperature over cold. Refrigeration suppresses enzyme activity in several of these fruits, papain in papaya most notably. Take your fruit out 30 to 60 minutes before eating. Rule 5. Timing is everything. Eat your fruit 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Too early and the nutrients are cleared before your eyes enter their primary repair window. Too late and active digestion disrupts the deep sleep your eyes need to actually do the work. Blurry vision is not simply an inevitable consequence of aging. It is often the result of specific, identifiable processes happening in your eye tissue: oxidative damage, inflammation, poor circulation, glycation. Growing evidence suggests that certain fruits, eaten at the right time and in the right way, can meaningfully support your eye's natural overnight repair processes. Think about reading without squinting, driving at night without that anxious grip on the steering wheel, waking up in the morning and actually seeing clearly within minutes. Looking at the people you love and seeing every detail, that is what this is really about. Not just clearer vision, your independence, your confidence, your quality of life. I want to hear from you. If your eyesight became noticeably clearer tomorrow morning, what's the very first thing you'd want to look at? Your family? A sunset? The garden? Leave your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped, please hit like, subscribe for more evidence-informed natural approaches to protecting your vision after 70, and share this with someone over 60 in your life. You might genuinely make a difference for them. This is Dr. Robert Hale. Take care of your eyes. They are irreplaceable. I'll see you in the next one.